Hey, let's continue our training. Today I will teach you camel position. It's very good position of your back, and also we step by step go to the acrobatic element. So let's begin. So go to this position, hug your legs, yes, and go. 1, 3, I forgot about 2, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so go to the position child for your compensation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so it's very difficult exercise, but you can also try because it's develop of you in your trainings and your health and so on in this topic. So the next will be this exercise. Yes, right now we're in table position, and this we go down dog, yes, position. So also remember about your straight back. Now this, yes, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also try to keep this position in this position, yes? It's very burn and boost your muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And please go to this position and also stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Also don't forget about compensation. Step by step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so cool. Also can do this exercise, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, cool. Whew. Also compensation, yes, and child position. For this it's very good position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so super. Also, if you're beginner, do this free exercise 2 times in your training. If you middle, please do 3, and also if you advanced, please do this 4 times in your training. And after that we can do another exercise, yes, and I will teach you in the next video also. So thank you so much. Also give me your feedback, do you like this or not, and see you soon. Bye bye.